Well, I see, Dr. Romano, you're still hard at work.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, Dr. Romano, I like your sweatshirt. I'd like one of those. Where'd you get that?
Don't worry about where I got the sweatshirt. Why don't we get to work on a question that I developed for the DAT study group for my Facebook page on a colligative property known as boiling point. Now, in this problem, it says that an organic compound was placed in CCl4 and it elevated the boiling point by 0.5 degrees Celsius when placed in 36 grams of the CCl4. Now, we have 0.72 grams of the compound being analyzed, and we want to find the molecular mass. And I gave you the boiling point constant, being 5.02. Now, if it's boiling or freezing point, we're going to use the following formula. The change in temperature is equal to the constant, Kb, or if it's freezing point, we call it the Kf, times the molality times the I. I represents the Van 't Hoff factor. It's the number of particles that would dissociate under high dilution in theory. For instance, NaCl would break up into two particles, so I would equal 2. If you see the word organic compound or it's a non-electrolyte, I is equal to 1. So what we're going to do is we put the numbers in. The elevation was the delta T is 0.5. The Kb is 5.02, which I just round off to 5. I is equal to 1, and I solve for little m. Now, once we get little m, I don't ask for the molality, I ask for the molecular mass. So what we do, my little trick that I like to show my guys is expand m out. Little m is equal to the moles of the solute over the kilograms of solvent. Well, the solvent was the 36 grams, which is 036 kilograms. Doing that and cross multiplying gives me 0.0036 moles. Now for the kill. The molecular weight is grams over moles. The grams of compound was 0.72. The moles was 0.0036. Now for the DAT exam, we got to hit this at lightning speed. I like to put everything in scientific notation. So I'm going to rewrite 0.72 with 72 to the minus 2. 36 or 0036 is written as 36 to the minus 4. Look at the nice numbers. 72 over 36 is 2, and you get minus 2 over minus 4 is going to be to the second 10 to the second power. So it becomes 2 to the second power, which is 200 grams per mole. This is a sure bet type of question on the DAT, and I got about 3 or 4 more of these in the Destroyer book, where sometimes I might give you an electrolyte and you got to worry about the I value. But remember, there's going to be 4 colligative properties, and that's going to include boiling point, freezing point, osmotic pressure, and vapor pressure. So you make sure you put this in your list of must-have questions.
Okay, Dr. Romano, I love your bio notes, your dynamite bio review. I've been working on those. Thank you so much.
Well, make sure you go through those bio notes. When I was in college, I happened to have won the Zoology Award as well as the Ash Bauman Scholarship at the University of Miami. Biology was one of my very favorite classes until I learned organic chemistry, and then I kind of threw biology to the wayside. But it's very important, and you're in very good hands. I've amalgamated about 30 years of my work in those notes, and the graphics you're going to absolutely love. So hopefully you're working on that, and that's the key to a 30.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Romano. Goodbye to you, sir. I'm on my way to get back to studying.
Okay, bye-bye.